Yes. Guys, hello guys. Welcome to King Sunday tutorial on WhatsApp business. So this, if you are looking at this screen, you are seeing a massive number from a massive fix. So this is a very wonderful opportunity that I'm driving to you. This is how you can be getting different number from different group that you are into, so how you can be getting different massive numbers. So if you look here, you see different numbers. Yes, so just watch these numbers you're seeing here. Watch. This is different number I've gotten from different places. So it is so amazing that you can get a lot of numbers from different groups. So imagine that you partake on this business, you'll be getting this particular number. So you see the different number I've gotten from a different groups. So watch now that you are going to see how you are going to process it. You see, I will teach you how you can save these numbers, not only getting the number, but how you can save them and message them automatically. So now let's go and get this number. Just watch this green pasture. So if you watch this green pasture now, I'm going to click on green capture or green pasture. Yes, you see processing. So he's processing it. Then he's getting the numbers. Now he's done. Imagine. Wow. So let's go back. We're going to go back now to see what we have done. Yes. Let's see what we have done. The number we have gotten. So if you see green pasture, this is the all contacts that are into green pasture. Imagine. This is massive. This is wow. This is so great. Wow. Imagine you getting this all contact. Imagine you saving all these contacts in your phone. How your business is going to boom. Your business is going to be fired. So then not only getting the number, but I will now show you how you can save these numbers in your phone. So let's see. Yes, this is the numbers. Imagine I've gotten the numbers. I've put it to where you can save it. So now after saving this number, this is the number we have gotten. You see, it's massive. So now after this one, now we are moving to how you can save it. Here is the whole numbers. So let's now see. You see these numbers? Here, let's save it and we message them automatically too. So this is so wonderful, so great. Don't miss this opportunity. You better subscribe now. You see, 158 contacts is what we have gotten under a minute. This is so amazing. Green pasture, you save it with the name you like. So this is so amazing. So now, after saving it, we are going to message all these contacts immediately. Automatically you send them message. So this is so amazing. Don't miss this opportunity. You better click here to subscribe. You better click here to contact me. You better click on this group to join, to learn how you can be part of this. Imagine, see, we are saving it. You see it? We are saving it. So this is done now. So we have saved this contact in our phone. I'm going to show you now the next phase where you can now message them automatically. Okay, so now you see our message have started dropping. So if you register, if you subscribe, if you contact me, I will show you how you can get your message and the thing you're going to use to get your message, to message those numbers. So you see green pasture, you can see green pasture going up. So this is them, we're messaging them automatically. You are not the one that is sending them message one. No, it's give you a system that is doing it for you. This is massive. I cannot afford to miss this opportunity. I can't afford to miss this opportunity. Just hit on this number 08068935127. Contact me right away. Chat on WhatsApp that you need these applications, that you need to subscribe to these applications. Call 0806893 5127. You're going to get in touch with me by WhatsApp, by call, anyone you wishes. So I will teach you these procedures under few minutes. You are done messaging them all. So don't miss this opportunity. See you there. See you there. So um this, because the number is many, so we are going to just show you how the first phase, the second phase, and the third phase. So just stay tuned. You will see the magic here. So um if you want a business to move, if you want your business to boom, if you want to make it this 2021, just subscribe here. Just join the group. I will teach you this business class. Is, you see, the first 50 have gone. We are going to the second 50. So let's, you see, forwarding. So we are getting this message. This message is sending to them automatically. So let this 2021 be blessed for you. So join this group meeting and you will see a total turnaround in your WhatsApp status, in your business pursuit.